Welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Matt with my dad, Dr. Lee.
Good morning.
We just got this girl. Does she have a name?
Dolly.
Dolly. We just got this girl. She was found, and the people who found her named her Dolly. So her issue, she looks like an old dog in the face, and then you'll notice back here she has some pretty terrible skin.
Sorry.
Big, nasty scales all up on her back here. Very gross. Dad just skin scraped her, and she has demodectic mange. There's some more back here.
Show him her feet too, man.
Yeah, and you'll notice her feet look really big for the size dog she is. And we think they're just swollen, probably from mange, and you can see they're all red and nasty. So, and I didn't tell you, she's actually pretty young. She looks old. She looks like an old lady. So she's probably 2 years old. A young dog, and hopefully after we get her all treated for this mange, she will look perfect. So we're going to start treating her with medications for the mange mites. Demodectic mange are just little bitty mites, and so we're going to treat her with some medication to kill those mites, and then we're also going to treat her with some antibiotics because it has a pretty bad secondary staph infection here. This usually will take like a month probably to get her all looking a lot better, and then maybe another month after that to grow her hair all back. So it's a long process, but she's going to be a totally healthy dog after this. We're going to get a little blood for a heartworm test now, get her vaccines, and get her started on treatment. Do you want this? Do you want that? Okay. She has tapeworms, so I have some medication for tapeworms and these little treats for here.
Good girl.
She's smart. She's not going to do it. Good girl. One more. One more. This will get rid of your worms. That was pretty good, right? She's just like barely eating it.
Good girl.
Oh, come on. You want that. It is 8:52 in the morning, and I'm already covered in that gross funk. Demodectic dogs smell really bad. Look at this table that she was standing on for just a few minutes, and she dropped all this skin scale and hair. Really, really nasty. We're gonna fix that. It has been 2 weeks since we first got Dolly. Hey, girlfriend. And you can tell she's looking a lot better. Still has those scabs on her back. Those are all getting ready to fall off. A lot of them have fallen off already. Good girl, and she's nervous still. Come here, come here, come here, come here, good girl. But you can kind of get a good look at them. You can tell some of this dead hair is still coming off. As soon as all that comes off, it'll make way for the new hair to start growing, and that'll be a good thing. She's also very nervous and not used to being on a leash at all yet. Come here, come here. Good girl, good girl, good girl. You can tell she just kind of wants to be up next to me. She doesn't really know what's going on here. And Dozer, my dog, is not helping anything. Hey, Doze. He just had a procedure today as well. Come on, big girl. Let's go this way. Dozer, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Good girl. It has been 5 weeks since we first got old Dolly, and she is looking way better. She is in today to be spayed. She's healthy enough now that we're going to go ahead and spay her, but you can tell that she looks a lot better than when she first came in here. So today, just to spay, we'll get her back a little while later once she is completely healthy to do her heartworm treatment, and then she will be ready to go. It's been almost 2 months exactly since we first got Dolly. She has grown all of her hair back, and she looks beautiful. Come here, come here, come here. Good girl. So today she is in for the last time. We are going to treat her heartworms, and we'll treat today and we'll treat tomorrow, and then she is totally done, and and we'll go home, and she actually's already been adopted, so she'll go home to her forever home and live a happy rest of her life. Scoot her back this way a little bit. So, treating for heartworms, we're just gonna give her an injection in her muscle back here of something that will kill the heartworms. Good girl. Good girl. We do it in the back muscles. Try not to get this to you.
Yeah, I'd rather not have that in my system.
Do you want heartworms?
Ready, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, okay, good girl.
Good. Done.
I'm done.
That's it. That's it.
Alright, ready?
So that's it. Thanks for watching Vet Ranch. Thanks for supporting what we do. She's gonna live a very happy life thanks to you guys helping us. We appreciate it. We love you. We'll see you next time.